Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is upper. So for same, I have created one program here. So let's go through that program. So here I'm again using the fully free format. So for that, you have to take Shift F7 and then on this very first position, you have to put the star free. So from this line, whatever we will write, it will be considered as a free format code. So now, before going to discuss about the lines of code, we will discuss what exactly the percentage upper built-in function is. So percentage upper built-in function is used to convert any input string into uppercase. Okay, so as its name, it converts the value to the uppercase. So now we will see it practically, like how we use this function. So here on line number 9, what we are doing, we are just declaring one variable string which is of character type of length 20. After that, using uh, I'm assigning some value to this string. So here I'm assigning Sharmit, which is in a small case, to string variable. And on line number 13, we are just displaying it. So whatever the value I have assigned to this variable, it will be displayed directly. Now below to that, we are seeing that the syntax of the percentage upper built-in function. So for that, you have to write percentage upper, then inside the opening and closing parenthesis, you have to write two. You can write two parameters. First is source string and second is ccs id. So this parameter is optional parameter. Like if you want to convert your character into any particular ccs id, then only you have to pass this. Otherwise you can use only the one parameter. So here you can see that I'm using only one parameter because I just want to go with my default ccs id, which is set according to my job. So there is one concept of ccs id that we will discuss in the upcoming session in brief, but for now we will use only the one parameter, which is source string. So on line number 19, what we are doing, we are using percentage upper built-in function to convert this value to uppercase. So after that, we are just displaying it, and star inlr is set on so that my program will be ended. Now we will compile it and we'll see like out what is the output. So firstly, it is showing me the direct value that we have passed and we have assigned to this variable, and after that it shows the converted value. So here you can see that we have converted all the value to a uppercase. So in that way we use the upper built-in function. So if someone asks you like what exactly the upper built-in function, so it is used to convert small case values or small case characters to uppercase. Okay, the same thing we can do with xlet function as well, but this is the new function. So it is always better if you want to perform only the case conversion, then only use this upper function. So thank you for watching Texture Myth. We will discuss new things in upcoming session.